Best performance cars for 2024-2023 Audi RS5. As automotive enthusiasts eagerly await the latest releases for 2024, the 2023 Audi RS5 stands out as a formidable contender among the best performance cars of the year. Renowned for its blend of exhilarating performance, sophisticated design, and cutting-edge technology, the RS5 continues to captivate drivers with its dynamic driving experience and unwavering precision. The 2023 Audi RS5 makes a bold statement with its aggressive and aerodynamic design that exudes power and elegance. Its sleek lines, wide stance, and signature Audi single-frame grille create a commanding presence on the road, while its distinctive LED headlights and dual exhaust tips add a touch of sportiness. Every detail, from the sculpted hood to the flared wheel arches, is meticulously crafted to optimize both aesthetics and performance. Under the hood, the RS5 is powered by a formidable 2.9-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine that delivers a thrilling 444 horsepower and 442 lb-ft of torque. Paired with Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system and an 8-speed automatic transmission, the RS5 offers precise handling and rapid acceleration, allowing drivers to experience the thrill of high performance with confidence and control. The advanced suspension system, coupled with dynamic steering, ensures that the RS5 can tackle corners with agility and poise. The RS5 isn't just about raw power, it also provides a luxurious and refined driving experience. The interior is adorned with premium materials, including fine Nappa leather, carbon fiber trim, and aluminum accents, creating a sophisticated yet sporty ambience. The front sports seats offer excellent support and comfort, ensuring that every journey is as enjoyable as it is exhilarating. Technology plays a central role in the RS5's appeal, with a host of advanced features designed to enhance the driving experience. The intuitive MMI touch response system, a high-resolution digital instrument cluster, and a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system ensure that drivers stay connected, informed, and entertained. Additionally, a suite of driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system, provides added safety and convenience. As one of the best performance cars for 2024, the Audi RS5 represents the perfect fusion of power, precision, and luxury. Its bold design, impressive performance, and advanced features make it a top choice for drivers seeking an adrenaline-fueled driving experience without compromising on comfort or sophistication. In a market filled with contenders, the 2023 Audi RS5 stands out as a true icon, a symbol of Audi's commitment to performance, innovation, and excellence. With its blend of power, precision, and luxury, the RS5 continues to captivate drivers around the world, solidifying its place among the best performance cars of 2024 and beyond.